Hello everyone. Let's dive into the MLEEDA triple monitor KVM switch. This device is designed for those of us juggling multiple computers and craving a streamlined workspace. Imagine controlling two desktops or laptops with a single set of peripherals across 3 glorious monitors. That's precisely what this KVM switch promises. The key selling point here is the triple monitor support, a feature not always found in KVM switches. It supports both mirror and extended display modes, offering flexibility for different workflows. Mirror mode replicates the same image across all 3 screens, while extended mode allows you to spread your work across 3 independent displays. Resolution-wise, this KVM switch doesn't disappoint. It handles up to 8K at 30 Hz or 4K at a smooth 144 Hz. It's also backward compatible with lower resolutions like 2K at 60 Hz. Of course, to achieve those higher resolutions and refresh rates, you'll need to use the appropriate cables. DP 1.4 and HDMI 2.1 are recommended. Beyond the video capabilities, the MLEEDA KVM switch boasts 4 USB 3.0 ports. These ports offer data transmission speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second, a significant upgrade over USB 2.0. This means faster transfer rates for external hard drives, quicker response times for peripherals like RGB keyboards and mice, and seamless connectivity for webcams and printers. Compatibility shouldn't be an issue either. The MLEEDA KVM switch is driver-free and supports Windows, Mac, Linux, and other major operating systems. It works with PCs, laptops, PS4s, Raspberry Pis, DVRs, and NVRs, making it a versatile solution for various setups. Switching between computers is made easy with either the button on the panel or the included wired remote. 2-color LEDs clearly indicate which computer is currently active. The MLEEDA KVM switch is constructed from metal and designed for panel mounting. It supports an operating voltage of 12 volts and a current rating of 2 amps. The dimensions are compact enough to not clutter your workspace. In conclusion, the MLEEDA triple monitor KVM switch offers a comprehensive solution for users seeking to simplify their multi-computer setups. With its high-resolution support, fast USB 3.0 ports, and broad compatibility, it's a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to boost productivity and declutter their desk.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.